In today's video, I'll be talking about some important vitamins and minerals that can help turn white hair back to its natural black color. These nutrients play a key role in restoring the pigment of your hair. You've probably seen people who start getting white hair at a very young age in their 20s or even earlier. Their hair may turn half or completely white, making them look older than they really are. This condition is known as premature graying of hair, or in medical terms, candidase. Now, the question is, why does hair turn white? Whether in humans or animals, our skin contains a pigment called melanin, which gives color to our hair, skin, and eyes. As we age, the production of melanin gradually decreases, and at some point, it may stop almost completely. When this happens, hydrogen peroxide starts building up in the hair roots, the same chemical used in bleaching. With aging, stress, or nutritional deficiencies, hydrogen peroxide accumulates in the hair, and as a result, the natural color of the hair fades, turning it white or gray. One major reason for early graying is genetics. If your parents or close family members had early gray hair, it's likely you might have the same issue. And in that case, there isn't much that can reverse it except hair dye. Other factors include stress, depression, smoking, anemia, chemotherapy, or nutritional deficiencies. Several vitamins and minerals can help restore hair color naturally. Vitamin B12 is one of the most important. It helps carry oxygen through the blood and supports melanin production. You can get it from meat, fish, eggs, milk, and yogurt. Another important vitamin is biotin vitamin B7. It strengthens hair, improves thickness, supports melanin production, and prevents new white hairs from appearing. You can get it from egg yolks, almonds, or through supplements. Folic acid vitamin B9 is also essential because it helps form red blood cells, which carry oxygen to the hair roots. If there aren't enough red blood cells, your hair and skin may lose their healthy color. You can get folic acid from leafy green vegetables such as spinach, or take it as a supplement. Two key minerals also play an important role: copper and iron. Copper activates the enzymes that produce melanin, while iron helps carry oxygen to the hair roots. You can get these from almonds, cashews, pumpkin seeds, and fish. If you don't eat fish, you can take omega-3 fatty acid supplements, and if your hair is falling out, zinc may also be helpful. Take vitamin D separately, and make sure your diet includes foods rich in copper and iron. Reduce stress and avoid smoking. If you find this information helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Take care and stay healthy.